What's wrong with society? Oh Doherty, where do you start, man? There's so much drugs and so much poverty. Both these things feed off each other. See, then you got your visits to A&E. Head fucked, can I sleep? Went in too deep, followed all the bad sheep. Went all in, ended up with a shit heap. Then you got your deaths and your threats and your death threats. And you got your dealers, the peelers and meth heads. And you take a big mixing bowl and you mix it all up. And when it's cooked you can see that we're all fucked. Taste of oppression, recession, mass manipulation, depression, aggression, dying for the session, post-colonial stress, infection. The wounds never healed, even though they claimed they were sealed. Tell each other how you feel, knock them out if you hear any squeals. What the fuck is happening here? You tell me and we'll both know. What the fuck is happening here? Don't say none, do you hear more? What can I say, lad? Every single day's bad. Try to get a job, got sacked straight away, man. Cause I had a doctor's appointment and couldn't get it changed. Now I'm broke, can't I feed the wains? Feel like I'm deranged, it's always the same. Heading to the door for pocket change. Looking down his nose at me, this strange cunt. Asking was I looking hard enough for employment? And I'm like, you think you better let me shove your money up your whole fucking door. Gonna follow my life goal. Gonna rock and roll, gonna rap with soul. Gonna be a sound motherfucker, gonna help all the muckers. Gonna be a team player, entrepreneur. We Montfrey, stay away from the gear. What the fuck is happening here? You tell me and we'll both know. What the fuck is happening here? Don't say none, do you hear more? What the fuck is happening here? You tell me and we'll both know. What the fuck is happening here? Don't say none, do you hear more? Say fuck all. 'Cause I don't know what the fuck's going on.